You will look at dining differently by the end of this video. Imagine walking into a restaurant and being greeted by a robot chef, ready to cook your meal with precision and flair. Seamlessly blending technology with culinary artistry, robots are stepping into kitchens worldwide, fundamentally transforming our relationship with food. Let's explore how these mechanical maestros operate. Named Chef Bot, our first protagonist effortlessly chops, sizzles, and assembles, becoming a master of multitasking. Unlike human chefs, Chef Bot never tires, never loses focus, and never forgets a single ingredient. Therefore, it delivers consistent quality while enabling human chefs to focus on innovation. Yet, some skeptics question if robots can truly grasp the complexity of flavors. But AI's learning abilities are akin to becoming sommelier-like experts, tasting dishes and refining recipes until they reach culinary perfection. In Tokyo, a vibrant metropolis pulsating with avant-garde ideas, we meet SushiBot, celebrated for its artistry in folding rice and fish into exquisite sushi rolls. Personalized sushi making has become a trend thanks to SushiBot's precise movements, impressing even the most demanding food critics. Therefore, robots infuse new enthusiasm into culinary crafts once considered solely human endeavors. But let's dive into a different setting. Imagine a world where home-cooked meals by robotic cooks become standard. Meet Sizzle, a countertop cooking wizard designed to bring gourmet dining to your residence. By doing so, Sizzle checks our pantry, recommends recipes, and masters techniques rivaling professional chefs. It's as if R2-D2 decided to set up a gourmet food stand. To adapt to various tastes, food robots interconnect with cloud networks, perpetually evolving their culinary knowledge. Yet, there's one thing we must face. Robots may engineer culinary delights, but lack the human warmth and intuition that food often requires. Will these robotic companions become our everyday chefs, or remain a fascinating glimpse into an alternative future?